Welcome to Tech Days 2023, the annual internal software engineering conference at Bloomreach. My name is Denisa, I'm a recruiter at Bloomreach, and I'm excited to show you the sneak peek of this event. Since we are a virtual-first company, Tech Days bring together colleagues from the CE region to share knowledge and strengthen connections with colleagues. Join our team at Bloomreach and experience the next year's Tech Days on your own. We are looking forward to seeing you next year.